Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this very blue makeup look. So it's a blue halo eye with a pair of actually gray lips, but they are more blue than black or white, or however you want to say it. And I'm also wearing a blue dress. So there's a lot of blue going on, but who doesn't love blue? It's my favorite color. So anyways, if you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with brows as usual, and today I'm using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Like so. And next I will be priming my lids, so I'm using the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer from Mott. And next I am going in with the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going in with the color this color Jujide, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this blue color. And I will put this in my inner and my outer corner and a bit in the crease, I guess. Like so. And next I will be going in with the color Casey, and this one, and I will use this to blend this out a bit. And next I'm going in with the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going in with the color Iman, and I'm putting this in the middle of the lid. Now I'm going back in with the color Jujide, and just to freshen up the inner and outer corner. And next I'm going in with the Big Eyes Liner by Maybelline, and I'm taking the black side and putting it in my upper waterline. And for mascara I'm using the veryme Extendalash Mascara by Oriflame. And next I will be doing my face actually, so I'm going in with the Dream BB Fresh from Maybelline. This is in light, I believe, so it might be a bit too light right now, but we'll try it. And And for concealer, I'm going in with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer by NYX. And for powder, I am, as usual, using the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And next I'm going to finish my eyes. So I'm going back in with the Magic palette. And the color Jujide. I don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm putting this in my inner and outer corner, but underneath my eye. And now we're going back in with the Saharan palette. And the color, oops, Iman. And I'm putting this in the middle of my lower lash line. Like so. And now I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner, and I'm taking the white side and putting this in my lower waterline. And I'm going back in with that same mascara from Oriflame, and I'm putting this on my lower lashes. And now I will be doing the rest of my face, so I'm going in as usual with the Linda Hallberg Cosmetics Infinity palette. And for shading, I'm using the colors Maffei and Cigar. Oops. Like so. And for blush, I am, as usual, going in with the color Andromeda. And next is highlight, so I am going in with the color Milky Way. And for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Stone Fox. Like so. And I think I will apply some lashes as well. And today I'm using the Dauntless lashes from LA Splash. So I will just apply these and maybe change my robe into a shirt. And I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It turned out a bit more goth than I had originally intended. But that doesn't matter. Everybody loves a good goth. But yeah, I'm actually very happy with how the eyes and the lips turned out. I think it looks super pretty, as usual. Don't pay too much attention to my face. It looks like it turned out way darker than it should have. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about the video or what you want to see in another video. And I will see you next time. Bye!